All right, let's test this. Can you guys hear me now? Yeah, I'm testing OBS. It looked like I was able to make OBS work, but I had no clue I was actually live. So I do apologize about that. Can you just confirm that now you can hear me loud and clear or ish? Let me know if it's clear. I'll be right back. Okay. Oh, I hate this. Camera is reversed. My arm doesn't appear on the right side. Okay, so guys, how was everybody? Man, I was able to make OBS work. Well, it's not perfect yet, but it's getting there. Okay, it's getting there. It's getting there. I'm pretty excited actually that this thing works finally. Like the fun fact is, I guess restarted my computer and now it's working. So I don't know. I don't know. It just sucks because all the thing I did save last time, it was not there anymore. But whatever. So I'm gonna be able to import my videos and everything, so that should be good. Can you guys hear me now? Sound is good. I dropped the gain a bit, so hopefully he's saying that my you can hear my dogs. And I was trying to find a way to get the comment in the chat to appear on the screen, but I don't know, man. I don't know how to make this happen. Or maybe here? Can I do that? Whoa. Can I do what? Oh. Oh, here we go. Can I move this a bit though? Live chat. Can I put this smaller maybe? There we go. Perfect. Okay, we're gonna get it. We gotta get it. Okay. Excited. Let me just do a little quick setting here. I just want to check something. Let me see. Can I do this here? Whoa. Okay, that should work now. Let me just double check here. Do you guys see me actually? You guys see the screen or what? What is this? Oh. Oh, you guys only see the logo. Oh, that's why. Oh, okay. Hold on. Wait a second here. How is that possible? Oh. Oh, you guys. Okay, so you guys see me, but you don't see the chart right now, right? Just making sure here. Okay, so I had to redo all the settings. So thank you for your patience, guys, and stick with me. If I do this, I personally see the chart on my screen, but do you guys see it too? That's a question. Oh, okay. Now you should see it. Now you should see it though. Do you guys see it now? Should be there, right? Okay, should be there now. Right? Okay, sweet. All right, guys. OBS is back. Oh, I'm excited. Okay, it looks chumps like this, but it looks basic, but I'm gonna work on it. The only thing that I really hate is my camera is like kind of the door is on the other side. Do you guys know how to do this shit? That's the only thing I would like to fix right now. Enable add source, capture device, properties, use preset. No. Yeah. All right, I'll go play with it later on. All right, let's get down to business, baby. Okay, let's go. Woohoo! Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're about to get started. We are Tuesday morning, October 7th. Is that right? Which day are we? Yeah, October 7th. Man, I'm getting lost. All right, so welcome to this live trading session. We are back. So now that I have OBS, I think I'm gonna get excited about streaming a little bit more constant and more often. So if you guys know anyone that's really good with OBS, I would love to create something nice. And one of my goal like for 2026 is actually to do. I got many things I want to do, because I do a lot of stuff like business wise. I do different business, and I also do a lot of multi-level marketing and I have a lot of things that goes on in my life, right? And I would love to also include on this channel sometimes, chit chat with people from different areas like trading, business, sport related, like anything that goes on in my life, like just have some talk with people, like kind of a podcast ish, I guess. Um, because I think there's a lot of thing we can, like everyone can get advantage of it because I got some very interesting people around me. So yeah, anyways, that's something I would love to do, like kind of do a little nice setup, like because right now it's just like look shit. Okay. Anyways, all right, so let's get going, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so now you can officially pass the word to everyone that I'm gonna be back more now. You know. All right, so let's start with GG. Can we get this screen bigger? That's a question. Can I get this? Or can I, let's say I do this. Whatever. I'll do it like this for today and I'll fix the setting later on. All right. So, all right, let's go with GJ here. Let's delete this. Yeah, it just let me try to put this. Open preview, screenshot preview scaling. Mm, scale to window. Oh, oh, I guess something like this. Trying to see if that makes sense. Okay. All right, I'll leave it like that for today. Cool. Okay, so let's get going. All right, let's start with the GJ. So we're looking at a weekly time frame right now. We are bullish and we are rocketing to the upside. Now, if you look at the daily, we closed yesterday above here, so now we flipped bullish on the daily time frame. Yo, what's up? Boom. Let's do this. Boom, daily higher high, and this is our new higher low. We're gonna remove this daily area of interest because it's past, but we have a new one. Let's just move it from, so here 1 2, so I'm guessing this one's gonna be stronger, right? So here we got 1 2 3 4. All right, and this is also in sync with that major QP right here at 200. All right, major QP, perfect. What about the weekly? Yeah, weekly we're just pumping. All right, cool. I mean, there's two things here. It's either I'll wait for that pullback to this daily area of interest, or I'm also going to be interested into a continuous trade as a day trade. If we do have a pullback inside or close to that golden zone, which actually we are at right now. So here we go. Perfect. Now let's go check out the lower time frame. Let's check out H1. So yeah, let me get my lines here. By the way, guys, if you have any question, let me know as we go. By the way, guys, if you just came in, let's get some more people on this stream by smashing this goddamn like button, right? Smash it hard. All right. Um, I completely forgot about that one. Mm, that little GIF. Oh, I don't know if you guys see it actually. Shit, I was excited here. I thought it worked. Let me see if I put this up here. You guys gonna see it? Oh yeah, here we go. Oh shit! Smash the goddamn like button. All right, cool. I'm having fun with that. That was fun. And let's see if we can make money. I feel so dumb right now. Okay, let's continue. God damn, I need to take my pill. Okay. Let's check out the lower time frame here. All right, so looking at H1, we are still bullish. Actually, no, that's not true. We are bearish right now. What am I talking about? All right, so H1 high and H1 lower low. Here we go. All right, cool. So here, whoa, where's this? What did I do here? All right, what did I do here? There we go. Okay. Sorry, guys. I'm still getting used to what happened with my line here. The line just disappeared on me. What the fuck? All right. All right. Cool. Perfect. Okay. So now, sorry guys, man, I'm getting lost with this OBS thing. Okay, so H4 is definitely bullish. Okay, so we are definitely bullish here, and we are waiting for H1 to flip back bullish. Okay, so that will be definitely one thing. Now, the other thing I'm going to be looking for, GJ, is the dogtail setup. So I'm going to be waiting for the next H4 candle to create a bottom wick and break to the upside, but that's going to be a little high here. So to be honest, I don't think I'm going to be extremely interested in the dogtail today. And to the downside, either I'm not that interested on where we at right now in the structure. Okay, so that's for GJ. All right, let's go a little faster here. So now let's go for the weekly time frame on NZD USD. If you're looking at this time frame, we are bearish since September 30th, and since then we're just playing around. So now if you're looking at the data was actually waiting for pullback here on this daily for continuations to the downside, either to the 382 line here, which is also previous structure point, and also area of interest. If you look 1, 2, 3 touches, so that's good. Or it was a pullback to the golden zone. So one of the two, and look like right now this new daily is pumping to the downside. H4 finally flip bearish, so that's pretty good here. Pretty good. That's actually pretty good. So now, what am I waiting is very simple. What I'm going to be waiting now is for the potential lower high. That's going to be something around there, and to take this trade. So basically, I'm going to take a note for myself and say waiting for lower high potential. Here we go. I'm gonna have to check also the setting for the sound, because I feel like the tapping on my keyboard must be a little annoying in my mouse, because I think this setting is way too sensible. But we'll see. I'm trying to see if I can fix this very like fast, but advanced, no. All right, whatever. Alrighty. Alrighty. Um, mm, 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 mm. Perfect. Okay, so clear for this one. I think this one looks pretty nice. So just gonna wait for this. All right, so what about GN? GN, GN. Let's start with the weekly. So if you're looking at the weekly right now, we are also bullish. Waiting for the pullback at this daily area of interest or weekly golden zone. So if you look here, which is also major QP 2.3 thousand. So let me mark it down here. Perfect. Let's take a look at H4. H4 is also bullish. So now let's do a recap here. So weekly is bullish. Nice pullback. Retesting previous structure point. We're not at the daily area of interest exactly. But you see that we came down to retest this area. And if I'm not wrong, we're probably at 382 on the fib here. Whoop, what's going on here? Let's try this. Are we? Yes, exactly. So I'm definitely gonna keep an eye here, especially at the daily. Daily also had a nice pullback, and it's probably on the 3-2 also on the daily. Okay. Um, this daily broke previous high already, and now coming back down. So it looks like we might continue down today. We'll see. No matter what, here I'm waiting for that pullback like we're having right now. So right now everything looks extremely good. Let's mark this down here. H4 golden zone. This is perfect. All right, so a lot of things that make sense. So far this one is going on top because that's the one that is the most ready. Now let's check the lower time frame. Lower time frame is now bearish. Perfect. So the only thing I'm going to be needed now is H1 to flip back bullish. Perfect. So what I'm gonna need is either H1 to go back above here, break, retest to go to the upside, which would suck because it would be like extremely high. The best scenario for me will be something like this, go back above, retest to go up. So that would be the best thing I would love to see. So for now, I have no choice to place the alert here, which I would not be extremely fan because my RR is going to be different. But let's say H1, SOS, SOS, push. All right, cool. All right. So perfect. That one looks nice. AUD/USD. What about AUD/USD? Let's check it out. All right, so weekly right now, weekly is bullish. We have the pullback. Retesting previous structure point at the daily area of interest inside that weekly golden zone. Last week closed bullish engulfing. I mean, everything makes sense. Everything makes sense. Now, daily is also bullish. Yesterday we closed bullish, but today it looks like we broke previous high and we are about to break previous low, which no indication so far. What about H4? H4 is bearish now, so no matter what, I'm gonna have to wait. All right. So I'm gonna have to wait for AUD/USD H4 to go back bullish for me to be able to consider this trade. H4. By the way, guys, if you have any pair you want to take a look at or questions, please don't be shy. Um, Just trying to see something very quickly. Okay, so NZDCHF. NZDCHF, let's take a look here. On the weekly time frame, we are bearish. All right, so we are bearish on the weekly time frame. Look like we're having the start of a pullback. We broke previous low, we broke previous high, sorry, respected previous low. What about the daily? Daily also bearish, started to pull back as we see. But look at today. Today we broke previous low, respected previous high. So look like we might start to go down from here. Are we at 382? Let me check. Let me check. Let me check. Check. Yes, we did reach 382 and rejected it. Okay. So, what about H4? All right. So H4 just add the switch of structure here. Perfect. All right. All right. All right. All right. Uh-oh. Look like I'm slow now. Oh, and also I got the new internet coming up, so I think I'm gonna be less laggy also starting from next week. They're coming to install on Tuesday, so it's gonna be good for Forex Talk Over Beer next Thursday. Yeah, because I feel like I'm a little like there's definitely a delay. Okay, so now let's recap this. Weekly bearish, right? We have no indication here. We have like nothing on the left, which really like we got nothing on the left. It goes far from as the dinosaurs time, you know. So we got nothing to the left to guide us. So yeah, so we gotta play a little bit more safe here and be careful because we are at one of the lowest point. So now here, how I'm gonna be interested in this trade is if H4 give us like a little pullback here and have a low high potential. So waiting for lower high potential on H4. Here we go. And what about H1? H1, 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 H1 is also bearish. There we go. Yes. All right. So CHF GPY. Weekly time frame, we are bullish. And we're about, I mean, we're creating a higher high right now. So now let's check the daily. Daily is also extremely bullish. And H4 also, so CHF GPY is going to go right under GN because this one looks pretty nice. So again, waiting for, man, the chart looks nice this week finally. Just hoping that something's gonna play out. Because a couple weeks ago we had some nice setup and nothing like that. Not that they didn't play out. It just like nothing happened. So I was like, shit. So, all right. At the end, like a couple of days or weeks later, it finally played out, but took so long. All right. So H4 also gonna be waiting for potential on H4. What about H1? All right, let's bring those lines up. Okay, so H1, you see H1 is bearish now. Oh, actually bullish. Okay, wait a second. Like H1 already have the switch of structure. What about 30 minute? So this one might be actually ready sooner than what I thought. Here we go. Okay, so now this one closing in 1 minute. So this 30-minute closing in 1 minute, if it would have closed like bullish engulfing, would I would have been very interested in taking this trade. But now, just gonna be patient. Just gonna wait. Yeah, especially at that 2 hours closing bearish like this. If it closes engulfing, we might see that deeper pullback on H4. So yeah, just gonna be patient on this one. All right, but it does look super nice. What about the comment here? I'm not able to Hey Sasha, been gone for a minute. Glad to see the ADHD is still strong with you. Rock on, baby. But yeah, it's time for this, so I should be like, hold on, let me, because this one is like, um, it's only 85 milligram. I need the 100 milligram, which is the highest one. Give me 1 sec. I'll be right back. All right. Also, I had to take the dog outside, guys. I'm sorry. All right. So I'm back with the big stuff. Dude, this shit is fucking big too. Like, look at this. Like, it's pretty big. Like, just to give you an idea of perception, what can I grab? Like, okay, so yeah, hold on. I'm trying to find out something that everybody knows. Trying to get like what can be a good reference? Um, God damn, I need to clean my office. Yeah, I'm trying to find something that everyone can relate and understand. Um, all right, fuck it. Sorry, guys. I was really trying. I was really trying. Oh, here we go. All right, so I don't know if that makes sense. This is a USB plug, right? Standard USB plug that everybody knows. This, like, guys, it's the same freaking height. Exactly the same height. So yeah, I don't know, man. Okay, let's continue now. But I have to say, it kind of helped. I'm pretty sad about it. Um, it's not that I have to take it, but I'm definitely more productive when I take it because, and I don't have less. I was really scared about that, like losing my edge, having less ideas. Um, but yeah, pretty happy with that. Let me close the door. Um, dog, get inside, please. All right, now we can continue for real. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's continue. So now, CHF GPY looking pretty nice. Um, and what? How is that tournament closing? Oh, wait, what? Oh no, okay, close smaller. For one sec, I was like, oh shit, yo, what happened with the spike? Is that? Whoa, 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 whoa. Do we have news today? No, no. Okay. And that one opened up pretty quick. What time is it? Yeah, that's NY open. Okay, so we got some volume kicking in. All right, cool. All right, let's continue. NZD USD, we did it. AD USD, we did it. NZD CHF, that's the one we were just talking about it. Is it? NZD CHF. Yeah, that's the one we were just looking at it, right? No? Oh, no. Which one was it? CHF GPY. Yeah, here we go. All right, so NZD USD. What did we say here? Consideration waiting for lower high potential. This one's gonna be the same. AD USD. Let's take a look. Weekly is bullish. Just can't remember if we did it or not. Daily also bullish. Yeah, we did it. All right, cool. NZD CHF. That's the name. When I move them from my order now, after I'm getting lost on where I was. So yeah, I say here I see my note waiting for lower high potential. Euro and ZD. I'm pretty sure we're all right. Cool. All right, so Euro and ZD, same thing here. Weekly bullish. We did a pullback, retesting previous structure point. We are at basically the weekly golden zone. Also major QP here at 2.0000 infinite zero. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. Major QP. Here we go. Perfect. Excellent. What about the daily? Daily's also bullish. Rejecting major QP. 4 hour. All right. 4 hour now. I need H4 to go bullish. So let me place an alert here. All right. All right. All right. Hmm. Sorry, man. I was looking at something that's. Oh yeah. Okay, we're good. Perfect. Okay, let me draw. Let me draw this golden zone here on H4. Oh no, actually, what am I talking about? Hold on, wait a second. the daily. Yeah, the golden zone's probably at this around the same place, if I'm not wrong. Is it? Yeah, perfect. And we are at daily 382. Okay, so definitely waiting for this. I'm also going to place an alert here because I want to follow up. And the reason why I'm placing this alert down here is to know if we are creating a new lower low. If so, I'm going to come to the chart. I'm going to adjust my line and move this alert down here, wherever is the new lower high, right? Because this one's going to look nice also pretty soon. All right, ADGPY. All right, we got a couple nice potential for this week. Finally, it's been a while. I wasn't excited by the market, and it finally looks nice. All right, ADGPY weekly time frame is bullish. Let's take a look at the daily. Daily is also bullish. We got a new high here. This is our new high low. We came down to retest, sorry, not retest, sorry, but we came down to that weekly golden zone, weekly area of interest, and since this week we just rejected that area hard. Look at this weekly no bottom wick, which is kind of scary because most of the time it will come down to the bottom wick, but now this is such a big jump to the upside. I don't see how, I mean, and news can happen and it can come down like as fast, but we'll see. I cannot use my fib yet because I mean we don't have a resistance form on the daily, but look like I might be willing to take a day trade here as a continuous trade if we do see a pullback on H4. Here we don't, we have kind of an elbow-ish. I just, fuck, I don't like it. What about H1? H1 is bearish right now. So no matter what, I need H1 to go back bullish. So yeah, I would love to see like a deeper pullback here on H4. Like somewhere around here. So this one I'm gonna move it up too because it looks nice. More as a day trade though. I'm gonna flag it orange. There we go. Euro GPY. We are also bullish. Looks a little bit like the same. We're bullish on the weekly. We are bullish also on the daily. Major push to the upside. What about H4? H4 was hoping to get the pullback here. Never happened. We saw like a smaller pullback. And now we create a new high. This one's actually cleaner than AUDGPY. All those GPY pair looks nice. So here, here we go. H1 is now bearish also on this pair. Perfect. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Yeah. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna. Sorry, I was trying to. I was talking to myself in my head right now. Yeah, I'm gonna be patient with this one. NZDCHF, we already talked about it. AUD was for day trade here. Let's see where we at. So weekly is bullish. Daily is also bullish. Oh, we did create a new higher high here. We might flip bearish here on the daily. We did flip bearish on H4. Oops. Yeah, so I'm definitely not interested for now. So I'm gonna unflag this. All right. All right, cool. So is there any other pairs you guys are looking at? Let me know so we can take a look at it. Meanwhile, do not forget to smash that like button. Um, mm, 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 mm. Okay, let me check very quickly here. Cap GPY. Oh, okay. What about the daily? Oh, whoa, okay. Daily flip bullish. Okay, so now we had to pull back inside that golden zone. We just flipped bullish. What about H4? H4 is also bullish. Okay, okay, okay. And I don't think I'm gonna see like a pullback on the daily here. H1 is bullish, straight bullish. 30-minute, straight bullish. Okay, okay, okay. So here I'm gonna have no choice to wait. Damn. All right, I'm definitely gonna flag this blue to follow up because it looks nice. Man, the market is booming now. NZD GPY. All right, so this one is not interesting. What about EuroCAD? EuroCAD daily. Yeah, no. CAD CHF. I mean, we're starting to have the pullback here. Not really interested. G, not interested. USD CHF, not interested. GCAD. Let's see. Might be interested. Okay. All right, so let's see here. All right, so daily golden zone right here. Looks nice. Because we can have a continuous trade here. This is the first 2 days of the weekly candle, so we're building up the bottom wick, ready to push up for continuous trade. Here we get a pullback on the daily, retesting previous structure point inside the daily golden zone. You know what? This makes sense. Now I just need H4. All right, so H4 now is about to go bearish, which would be good to go a little lower. So definitely gonna flag this blue. I want to keep follow up on it. I'm gonna come back and check that H4 where it closed, because if it closed down below the support, that means now we flip bearish, which would be great. After that, I'll be waiting for the switch of structure on H4 to go in this trade. So awesome. All right, so we got another pattern. Damn, man. I don't count GJ because GJ is always flagged because this is my scalping pair. But 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoa, what? 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10. Holy shit. It's been a while. It's been a while. So this is now bearish. Yeah, I'm not interested in that one, but I'm just gonna update it. Oh, it's laggy again. Okay, so let's see here. You guys are quiet this morning. What's up, man? Um, I don't even know, like, if I'm talking to myself right now. I cannot see, like, if everybody's, if we got people live. Like I said, I'm coming back now. Now that I have OBS, I'm gonna try to set up things nicely, and that's gonna be better. GA, we take a look at it. Yeah, the rest I'm not really interested. Oh, wait a second. Yeah, no. Oh, what did I do? Shit. I just dropped a pair. Which one was it? I just put in the garbage a pair by mistake. Which one was it? You guys recall seeing the pair just deleted by mistake? No. Damn. Alright, I'm gonna have to go through them all. That sucks. Yeah, the rest sucks. This is my condo money. You see, this is exactly where I was expecting rejection. You know, this is where I should buy more puzzles. Damn. Yeah, I should buy more. Well, um, all right, let's do like GPBCHF. Oh, thank you, Jacob. That's the one I deleted. Thank you, GPBCHF. Sweet. Thanks, bud. Jacob's always there for me, man. Thanks for having my back. All right. Let's see where we at here. What time is it? Yeah, I'm gonna have to do a quick check up on the dogtail set of potential. I don't see anything really possible here. Maybe to the down. Oh, man, no, nothing for me. Not today. All right, so I think we did everything what we had to do. So yeah, I'm gonna finish set up at OBS. Thank you so much for watching and being patient at the beginning of the stream because I was doing some testing and trying to find um settings and options. So I'm gonna keep working on it and make it a little bit better. So thank you again. I'll see you on Thursday night for Forex Talk Over Beer, guys. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Oh, can we hold on? Let's see if I'm able to. Since I'm here, let's test this at the end. Can I upload media source scene? What is scene? Scene is scene be let's see my closing. All right, let's get back to here. So if I do add, let me see, let me see, let me see. Um, can we add capture audio image media source? Let's try this. Um, all right, let's say outro live session. Let's try to do this here and browse should be on my desktop, right? Intro. Where's my outro? Is that the one? Not sure. Let's see. I'm guessing there was no sounds, right? So let's see. Outro. Let's play it again. Did that work? Like, do you guys were able to hear the sound? I'm just curious. Like, on the second attempt, were you guys were able to hear the sound? So this is clearly not the outro. That's the intro. So let me change the name. Um, rename. So that's gonna be intro. Perfect. Yes. Okay. Thank you, Jacob. Um, what about logo? Yes. What is this? Oh, this is okay. Okay. Let me try another one. Media source. Where is my... Where the freaking outro? How come I don't have my outro here? Alright, at least I got my countdown. Okay, so I'm guessing that was working too, right? Awesome. Yay, OBS is back. Yay. I'm just missing my outro. I'm gonna go find it. All right, so anyways, guys, thank you for being patient with me today. I'm back live with OBS. So we're gonna have fun. I'll see you on Thursday night for Forex Talk with Beer, guys. Thank you so much. Trade safe. Don't do anything stupid. And peace out. Take care, guys. Yeah, unfortunately, I didn't find my outro, so there's not gonna be any outro. So stay tuned for next time. Ciao.